Start.
Yes. So, first of all, good evening to all the learners who are present here. Today, we are organizing, that is, Regional Center Mumbai is organizing this induction meeting for the learners of BCA and MCA, that is, Bachelor in Computer Applications and Master in Computer Applications. Dear learners, the regional center is aware that some of you might have taken admission long back in June or July or in May, and some of might you have taken admission in the month of September or August. However, the induction meeting is organized only once the admission gets completed, and for your programs, the admission has got completed on 15th September. It was the last date. Now today, during this induction meeting, as you all are aware that induction meeting is an important part for your journey in IGNOU. Today we will be discussing a lot about your program, your course, and what all other small details which you should know when you are in IGNOU. All these things will be discussed. Today with us we have the Regional Director of Regional Center Mumbai, Dr. A. Krishna Rao sir is here. He will be also speaking with you all people, especially he will be telling and guiding you all learners for your smooth journey in IGNOU. Now, first of all, I request our regional director in charge, Dr. E. Krishna Rao sir, to please guide the learners. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shashank. Um, Good afternoon to all. At outset, I congratulate you all for registering with the IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Regional Center, Mumbai. You all are registered for the BCA and MCA program. And due to this COVID-19 present situation, there was a little delay, not little delay, as per the UGC guidelines and the Government of India guidelines, we have extended the last date for the admission. That's why this induction meeting also little postponed. Otherwise, we could have conducted last month itself. Anyhow, there is no problem. The regional center and the IGNOU will take care about your studies. Just this is the induction meeting. It is the important activity. Once you have entered into the system, you should understand. You should understand how the system functions, what role student has to play, how they will get the support services and other activities at the study center as well as the regional center will take care about your studies. These are all the important issues. That's why we conduct this induction meeting immediately after completion of the student admission. As a part of it, today we have organized this one. As you are all aware, you are all the already working professions, MCA, BCA, maybe you are engaged with some other company and all you are working in industries. You should understand the concept of the open distance learning. Here in the open distance learning, I think someone mic is on. शशांक आप देख के ये थोड़ा ऑफ करो इनका.
Yes, sir.
Here, this is the open distance learning where the education has started for the adult people. Adult के लिए education has started. Here in the open distance learning, teacher and the student having the physical distance. Physically, you are having the distance. You are not regularly meeting your teacher, and also you are not going to your college regularly. And whenever the counseling sessions organized at a time only you are going. Here it is mostly the self study. Here in the open distance learning, you have to understand the system is learner centric approach. Learner centric approach. In the conventional mode, it is a teacher centric approach where the faculty will take care about everything. They conduct everyday classes and they will come and every day they will give the dictation, every day they will give you the notes, and every period you have to attend. Here we will provide you the support services, we will provide you the facilities. The IGNOU will organize the counseling sessions. Now this induction meeting के लिए we have sent the email to 150 students. Out of that, how many have attended now? 59 is present. We are not forcing anyone to attend it. We are providing you the facilities. The same way, this is the open distance learning where we will prepare the counseling schedule and we will inform to the student. Student should take the responsibility and they have to attend. Regional center and the study center will organize the practical sessions. You have to attend. Regional center will conduct the term and examinations. You have to attend that one. We will give you the information where the student has to decide. And also there is a compulsory component of the assignment. We upload the questions in our website where the student has to see and they have to write the last date for the submission of the assignments. Accordingly, you have to submit at your study center. We will conduct the counseling sessions through online and through TV, through radio, and other audio video cassettes we provide. We provide everything. The student, you have to. That's why it is called as a learner-centric approach. The institution, the university, IGNOU will provide you all facilities. The student has to take the initiative. Nobody will force you. Nobody will ask you why you have not submitted your assignments. We will give you the deadline. This is the suppose as of now, 30th October 2020 is the last date for the submission of the December examination. The dates and everything has been uploaded in the website. That is the student responsibility, and you have to write your assignments and submit. That is the activity you have to do. Suppose if you have submitted, then we will evaluate and we will give you the marks. If you are not submitted, you are going to extend your study period. That is up to you. That's why I am telling in the open distance learning, it is the learner centric approach. That's why you please aware about the system and you should know what you have to do in the IGNOU studies, when you have to do, where you have to submit. These are all the information you should know. That's why the induction meeting plays a crucial role in the open distance learning system. Now, if you come to the IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University, it is a central university. It is established by an act of parliament in 1985. We have the study centers across the country, regional centers as well as the study centers across the country. We are having the total 67 regional centers. And through these regional centers, we are providing the support services. As of now, if you see, there are about 250 programs IGNOU is offering. Here, the thing is main important one is you should know about the instructional system in the IGNOU. In the instructional system, if you see, there are main three components. Importantly, that is the study material. We call it as a self-learning material. Study material, Shashank, PPT, general PPT. Shashank? Where is this? Okay, if you see our IGNOU instructional system, we have adopted the multimedia approach. Multimedia approach is having importantly three components. That is the first one is the self-learning material. The study material which we are providing to you, it is the self-explanatory study material and self-directional material, self-motivating material, and self-evaluating material. That's why it is called as a self-instructional material. The study material in such a beautiful way, it is prepared. You students, because of already you are having some knowledge, you all joined this program to add value to the existing knowledge. Related to your knowledge, the study material has been prepared by the experts across the country from the different universities. Experts prepared this material. That is the important one, the study material. Second important component is the how the study material is structured. Suppose if you take the BCA or MCA, these programs, you are having the courses. In the BCA, there are different courses. Each course study material again divided into the blocks. Each block again divided into the units. Each unit again into the sections. Sections again into the subsections. If you see the unit structure, this is the means unique features of the study material, where each unit is having its own objective. It is in such a beautiful way it is prepared. If you see, main importantly, yellow marked one, that is a check your progress. That is a very important one. You are assessing yourself, you are evaluating yourself, how far you understood the study material, the content. While reading the study material also, you should know how to read the study material. That is a very important one. You have to read, you have to read the objectives. First you have to understand the objectives, then only you have to develop the broad idea about the unit. While going through the unit, because of our study material thoda bulky hai, but it is a simple material. While going through the study material, important points you have to note down. You have to note down important points. You should give the main important to the tables, diagrams, any formulas, that all. While going through the your study material, you have to prepare your own notes. I'm telling you, my dear learners, nobody is going to give you the notes. You have to prepare your own notes. Even in the faculty, they only discuss. It is a lecture method not adopted. Only the discussion method adopted in the counseling sessions. That's why while going through your study material, you have to prepare your own notes. That's what we have given you some suggestion. Give due importance to objectives. While going through the study material, once you read the objectives, you have to develop the broad idea about the content. If you go deeper into the content, if you have to prepare your own notes. While going through the study material, you have to give this importance to diagrams, tables, statistical data, and some of the examples given in the main content. And also, as I told previously, don't skip the self-assessment. That is the important one. Once you go through that study material, then you have to complete the task of the self-assessment. Then only you can in a position to ask the questions in the counseling session. That is the important one. While going through study material, you have to prepare your own notes. As one of the student has typed, what about the study material? I'm telling you, my dear students, the study material dispatch has already started from the Delhi. Directly you will get by post. And meanwhile, the soft copy available in our website, that is the egyankosh.ac.in. Now you can check the soft copy from the egyankosh.ac.in. And also IGNOU has developed mobile app, that is the e-content app. Yes, that e-content app is not support to the this Apple phones, whereas you can make the Android phone may you can open that one, this e-content app. And also even in the computer may you can see the soft copy egyankosh.ac.in. Some of the students have opted the soft copy. For that they got the 15% discount in their fees. Such type of the students, no intimation will be given. You have to download the soft copy from the egyancoach.ac.in. And the study material dispatch already started. Maybe by end of this month, all the students will receive the study material directly from the Delhi. And also the thing is what I request all the students, because of you are all working professionals, you are all in the IT company, maybe you are having the sources. Time being, I am telling those who have opted, the hard copy, you please read the soft copy time being, and by end of this month you will receive the study material. That is about the study material. And the second important component in the multimedia approach is the academic counseling. As I told, maybe next week onwards, we will inform data. Maybe tomorrow, after this induction meeting, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will send to the study center this data, the admission data, and we will ask them to start online counseling sessions. The study center, here I would like to mention you people, the Arena Education 1619 study center is not available. That is closed due to some administrative reasons. They are unable to run the study center. That's why they have requested the regional center to close that study center. Arena Education is no more IGNO study center. No more IGNO study center. And the students will be given the study center, only two study centers. One is the BMN College, Matunga. Second one is the Pillai College in Navi Mumbai, that is the Panvel. These two centers, the students, those who opted this 1619, they will be shifted to the BMN College 49033. There only your counseling sessions and the practical sessions, whatever it may be, that will be conducted. I think maybe next week onwards, I will ask them to plan for the counseling sessions. These counseling sessions also will be online, through online, whatever it may be, whether it is a Zoom app or the Google Meet app, as per their convenient. The study center will organize this one. And also this academic counseling sessions में आपको academic counselors मिलता है, इनसे you can interact and clear your doubts, and they will be helpful to you. And these sessions also, what I told, before going to the counseling sessions, please read the study material. Please read the study material soft copy and well prepare, and the counseling schedule. The study center will inform to you and well in advance, and also the counseling schedule. Also, the counseling schedule also will be uploaded in our regional center website, and we will show where it will be uploaded and how you can check the counseling schedule also. And the regional center also will send the SMS and the emails to the students about this counseling schedule. You can attend through online. That is the thing. And in addition to this study center academic counseling sessions, I'm coming, my dear learners. No need to worry. I will give you all the components very broadly. We are going to discuss, and someone is typing when is the assignments. We are coming to the next point. थोड़ा आप patience में listen करना है, wait करना है. Okay? I request, please wait. All the components will be discussed. Okay? Here, School of Computer Science in the Delhi में, they are organizing face-to-face Facebook live sessions. Facebook live sessions, and that you have to like our regional center Facebook page as well as the IGNO official Facebook page. Then you will receive the notifications about this online sessions in the Facebook. However, regional center will conduct the counseling sessions with the help of study center. And in addition to that one, and there are some other sessions organized through Gyan-Dhara, that is the online radio. Online radio, we are having the 24 hours educational channel, that is the GD2, Gyan Darshan 2, and the radio, we are having the Gyanwani under the Gyan Dara. There also the schedule will be uploaded every month in our website igno.ac.in. There you can see the schedule of these sessions. And the other important one is this counseling schedule. This counseling may once you are going to the you have to be in touch with your study center. The study center, once we send the data to the study center there, then after the study center will inform you. Study center is the first contact point. First contact point that is related to your studies. There the coordinator is available. Coordinator is available. They will take care about your counseling schedule and other academic matters. If the issues are not resolved at the study center level, you can contact the regional center. This counseling schedule आप लोगों को you can see our website. You go to the next one, IGNO online link में, and we are having even online facilities at the our IGNO main website. If you go to the IGNO online, www.ignoonline.ac.in, there you are getting a link to all the online facilities. That is particularly हमारा educational channel के लिए you will get the link, and also virtual classes के लिए also you will get the link, and the e-Gyan course के लिए also you will get the link. Go to the next slide. This is the if you click this one, ignoonline.ac.in, here it shows you can see whatever you want, whether it is the Gyanvani or the related to the e-Gyan course and the educational broadcast of the different one that you can see. And also the IGNO Regional Center Mumbai has uploaded some of the videos recorded last time sessions for the BCA and MCA, and NTPL videos also we have uploaded. We have uploaded in our website under the e-Shiksha tab. If you see our regional center का website rcmumbai.igno.ac.in, main page में, home page में we have created one tab, that is the e-Shiksha. If you click the e-Shiksha, all online activities, whether it is related to the counseling sessions, related to the recorded lectures, even the YouTube videos also available, and the Facebook page related links, Twitter page link also available in that e-Shiksha page. You can visit our website and you can get all the information. Now this is the instructional system where the multimedia approach including the three important components. One is the study material, second one is the academic counseling sessions, third one is the audio video cassettes or the other online support services. Now coming to the evaluation system, here IGNO adapts the this continuous evaluation system, which includes three important components. One is the self-assessment, second one is the assignments, third one is the term and examinations. Here if you see the self-assessment, which is not having any marks, as I told previously very clearly, end of each unit you are having the self-assessment. Check your progress. That is called as a self-assessment. Yourself you are assessing how far you understood the content. And the next one is the assignment. In the open distance learning, assignment plays a crucial role, and also it is the very important component. Assignment is a very important component where it works as a interaction between you and your teacher. Whatever the academic counseling sessions taken by the academic counselor, and the understanding of the content you are mentioning in the assignments and submitting to the your academic counselor. Your academic counselor evaluate that one and give you the marks as well as the comments for further improvement. That's why it works as a medium of the means of interaction between the teacher and the student. That's why the assignments made compulsory component in the ODL system, and the submission of the assignment, it is very essential and the compulsory component. Each course के लिए one course के लिए you have to write one assignment question. Shashank, you go to the next 2-3 slides. Assignments submission is compulsory component. No, you go to the next assignment. Go next. Assignment is a compulsory component where 30% of the weightage for the assignments, and the students
So can you click on that right button so we can see?
the students, those who have submitted assignments, they only allowed to write the examinations. That's why submission of the assignment is very important one. Now we have given the option submit the online hard copy, means handwritten copy. You can submit scanned copy. We have given the link also. It is already uploaded in our website. For you people, I think as of now, 31st October 2020 is the last date for submission of the assignment. Just now only you have taken the admission. Maybe we will extend for you people up to the November तक. We will give the chance to submit. Next week onwards, आपका classes भी start होता है. आप you can download the questions. You can download the questions from our website, and you can show the assignment link. Shashank, you go to the next one. Assignment link. You can download from our website. You go next slide. This is the assignment link where you can download the assignments. webservices.igno.ac.in assignment. Current year ka assignments you can write, and the assignment should be handwritten, whatever it may be the paper, whether it is a A4 size paper or the A3 size paper or the ruled paper or white paper. You can write and you can scan that one and submit in the given link through the Google link. You can submit. The last date as of now it is 31st October. I'm telling you, आप लोगों के लिए it will be extended up to the November तक. There is no problem at all regarding your submission of the these assignments. Now coming to the next one is the term and examination. Term and examination conducts twice in a year due to this COVID-19 situation presently. We are now conducting the June examination. आपका examination will be in the month of the December. December के लिए also the online examination form fill करना है, and that has to be it will be available from 10th October 2020 onwards in our website, that is the igno.ac.in. You have to fill the examination form. That is a one course के लिए there is a 150 rupees fees, and you can download the even hall tickets from the online. Maybe it is a little hectic for you people because of the session has been extended. As of now, the system is like that. Maybe the university will take the decision for you people. They may give some relaxation. As of now, I cannot give you any assurance. I am just telling you the whatever the present situation. Maybe the university seeing all the situation. That's what I am giving you the assurance. Your assignment submission will be extended up to the November. Your assignments, you have to write assignments on the white paper or rolled paper. Assignment should be handwritten. After that, you can scan and submit through online. There is no need to submit the hard copy at the study center. You can submit in the Google link. Already Google link uploaded in our website. That is the main important one. आपको previous year question papers also available in our website. In our website, you can download and you can read that one. And the main importantly, because of yours is the semester-based program. Yours is the semester-based program, and the activities will start very fast because of now you have taken the fresh admission. Maybe the first and second semesters a little hectic, and the dates will be very close. Immediately you have to work and you have to start reading. After the second semester, you will be getting the time to read all the things. Maybe as per this 6 months you will receive. Now again after this first semester एग्जामिनेशन का होने के पहले also you have to do the second semester का re-registration. Maybe it will start November end से up to the January तक it will go, or the February तक re-registration for the second semester also you have to do that. Notification and all you will receive. There is no issue of that one. That is the second semester के लिए, and the third semester के लिए whatever the registration you are doing, it is called as a re-registration. आपका examination is going to be held in the month of the December. In the month of the December, your examinations we are going to conduct. And for that, if you are comfortable, you can write the examination. Or otherwise, you can skip this December session if you feel I'm overburdened. Maybe it is the duration is short. You can write examination in the June 2021. There is no problem. Those semester के लिए you can write in the June 2021. That is the this, as I told, re-registration. आपका second semester के लिए you have to do the re-registration. Now very importantly, your program BA BCA is the 3 years. Maximum period is the 5 years. 5 years I think. And the even MCA के लिए also the maximum period is 5 years. Once you cross that maximum period, there is now the university has adopted very strict rules and regulations. Previously, there was a readmission. It was there. You used to get the 2 years of the grace period. Today, we have received the circular. Hereafter, there is no readmission period. Student have to complete. Student have to complete within the maximum period. If it is the 5 years, within the 5 years, you have to complete. If it is the 6 years, within the 6 years, you have to complete. Otherwise, this 6 years period will be wasted. That's why you should be very careful while taking the admission, and while you are studying for your program. You should be very careful and submit the things within the stipulated time. Don't extend the study period. Okay, this is a very important one. And also another important thing is, as of now, we are conducting the examinations offline only. There is no online examination abhi tak. Okay, even for this September, this month, we are having the examination from the September 17th onwards. We are having the examination. That also conducts at the examination center. Here you are having the one flexibility. You can select examination center across the country. Anywhere you can write the examination, your theory examination. Even in the practical examination, you have to write only at your examination center. Now, for the benefit of the students, on the basis of the situation, even this practical examination also we are conducting through online only. That's why there is no need to worry. University will take care about your studies. On the basis of the situation, we will relax and we will give you some provisions to complete your program successfully. That is the main thing. I am stopping here. I hope this PPT we will send to all the students, and hereafter another PPT also available. Mr. Shashank, who is looking after this admission activity, that boy will show you the BCA particular program related PPT and the MCA program related PPT, and we will answer your questions if you are having after finishing that one. Thank you one and all. I wish you all the best. There is no need to worry, and the regional center staff and the regional center all the time working for the benefit of the students. You can send the email to regional center RC Mumbai at igno.ac.in. That is the main one. Okay, Seshank, you take care about this one. I will join this meeting maybe after the this presentation. I have another meeting. After that, I will come and join. Thank you.
Okay.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Okay. So, dear learners, uh, just now our regional director sir has completed his presentation related to your program. It was a general induction which the regional center used to give to all the learners. I hope I'm audible to all. There are a number of questions which are being asked by the students. All the queries we will take. We will take all the single queries also, and all the queries we will answer. But before that, as sir told, that program specific PPT we are going to present. So once we present those program specific PPT, after that, just 10-15 minutes it will take. After that, we will go for the question answer session. So I'll just start with the presentation for BCA program very firstly. Okay. Okay. So I hope that my voice is visible to all. It is audible to all, and my screen is visible to all. I hope so.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So okay. Thank you. Now we will start for BCA program. Now BCA, it is a bachelor degree program, as you all know. Minimum duration for the program is 3 years. Now, what is minimum duration? Minimum duration means the minimum period, that is, if you have taken admission in BCA program, you will have to take at least 3 years to complete your BCA degree. That is what is called as minimum duration. Now maximum duration is 6 years. Maximum duration means once you apply for admission, suppose you apply for admission in 2020, your admission will be, your enrollment number will be valid for 6 years in our system. That is what is called as maximum duration. But what we generally wish and we generally want that कि आप लोगों को कभी मैक्सिमम ड्यूरेशन पे जाना ना पड़े. You all should complete your degree within 3 years. That is the minimum duration. Now total there are 99 credits. These all things are not that much important, credits and all, though it is just in the prospectus and program guide. That is why we are writing. Total 99 credits is to be completed. Now there are a number of programs. In BCA program, you have 39 courses to complete. You have 39 courses, that is 39 subjects. Now, first thing you all should understand when you are in the system of IGNOU, that is difference between program and course code. Now, program code is the program, that is the degree you are pursuing. Like BCA is a program code, MCA is a program code, MA Hindi, MA History, these are program codes. Course code, in very general language, course code is the subject. So, like in 10th or 12th subject, 10th or 12th class, we used to have subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, English, Hindi. Those were our subjects. In the same way, in BCA program, we have subjects like for in suppose if I take MA history as a program, for example, you have ancient history as one subject, medieval history as another subject, history and Gandhi as this is the difference between subject and program code. So subject ko hi we call as course code. So till you are in IGNOU system, please remember this difference, what difference between program code and course code. Also, another important thing I want to point out, there are a number of students who are writing emails. No issues. Regional Center Mumbai always replies to the emails, minimum 2 to 3 hours and maximum 3 to 4 days. If and some data is required, emails will be replied. But the thing is, most of the time, students do not write their enrollment number and program code and course code, and they just write, when is my practical? When is my exam? Where are my books? If you write emails like this, how will we know that what is your program, what is your enrollment number, when have you taken admission, what is the status? So for getting the proper reply, you should ask the question properly. If you don't ask the question properly, reply will also, you will not get the reply correctly. So this was the first thing. Now coming back to the PPT, so you have 39 subjects or courses which you have to complete. You have 24 theory courses. which you have to complete. So now BCA is a computer related program, BCA and MCA both. So they both have practical oriented courses also. So you have total 14 practical courses. Now you have 24 theory courses, 14 practical courses, and one is a project work which you have to complete in the last semester. This is sixth semester. Now theory courses have assignments you have to write, as sir already told that you have assignments. So you have to write the assignments. All those links we will be getting in this PPT itself. This will be sent to you all so that you all can get those links as well. So assignments you have to write, and you have to write examinations for theory courses. Now for practical examinations, you have assignments and you have term and practical examinations. That is what you have to do. Project work in the last semester. So
yes. So project work is in the last semester. So we will not go detail for project work.
Concentrate on theory courses and practical courses. Important points for BCA learners. Now, attendance in theory courses, as sir told that from next week onwards or maybe after 10 days, some classes will start. Now, you have theory classes and you have practical classes. Now, attendance in theory classes is not compulsory. Even if you do not attend single class also in theory, it is not a big deal. If you don't want to attend, you don't attend the theory classes. But for practical classes, 75% attendance is compulsory. If your attendance in practical classes is less than 75%, you will not be allowed for term and practical examinations. So please remember that for appearing term and practical examination, you have to maintain the 75% attendance limit in practical sessions. So whenever you get email or schedule for practical sessions, please attend all those sessions without fail. Second thing, your examination and assignment submission will be semester pattern, because the program is a semester-based program. So your assignment submission and examination pattern is semester-based. Now, just taking the example, suppose in BCA program in first semester you have some 5 courses, that is 5 subjects. So you have to write the assignment for 5 subjects and you have to write the examination for those 5 subjects. All those things have to be completed for December term and examination. So 6 months ka time you get. So that is how it goes. Now this is the link I have given for how to download the assignments for BCA program. Once you click this particular link, you will get all assignments for BCA program for first semester to sixth semester from 2020 to 2012. You have to solve the latest one, that is January 2020 and July 2020. That assignment only you have to do. Now synopsis for project work, as I told, I have just included for your information, but this project work is in last semester, so we'll not go in that much detail. Now this is the link. So as I told that you will be getting this PPT through email. Please remember this slide is very important, because this slide contains every link for your link for material. Once you click this link, you will directly go for the materials of BCA. Like earlier we told that visit egyancoach.ac.in. No need to go there also. If you click this link, you will get directly the material for BCA. Now link for assignments of first semester. Right now we have given the assignment link for first semester only. Now as you can see, there are 2 links for your first semester, because first semester of BCA there are few courses like FEG2 and FEG1. These are English Eco 1 commerce related courses, few commerce related courses. Inka assignment you will get in BA program, and that is why I have given 2 links. You can use these links for downloading the first semester assignment question paper of BCA program. The second, then the link for program guide. Now in the PPT, in the general instructions also, we might have told that program guide is the most important book for you people till you are in IGNOU. Once you open your program guide, you can get all these details. Whatever details we are telling you in this induction meeting, all available, all are available in your program guide. So get to know about anything, to know about any detail, evaluation, assignment submission, every detail is available in your program guide. So you all may download the program guide. Now link for project manual also we have given, just in case you need. But as I told, this has to be used in 5th semester, so it has some time. But however, I have given because it will be in your record. Now, sir also told that there were live Facebook sessions conducted by IGNOU headquarters. So all those sessions ka link, yes, MCA ka we will be giving later. So this link again I have given. This link is for all the recorded sessions, live Facebook recorded sessions of BCA program. Once you click this link, all the live Facebook sessions which were taken in the month of April, May, June, July and August, all those sessions ka link is available in videos is available in this link. So this is very easy. This page is very important. कोई भी लिंक क्लिक करिए, सारी डिटेल्स इसमें है. लिंक क्लिक करिए, आप डायरेक्ट उस पेज पे जाएंगे जहां को आपको आपका जरूरी जो भी चीज है वो मिलनी होगी. अच्छा, असाइनमेंट सबमिशन अभी ऑलरेडी सर ने बता दिया है. आप लोगों को फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना है. एज ऑफ नाउ लास्ट डेट इज 31st October. But sir has told if required, the regional center might extend or the university might extend the date. Now sir was talking about the notice for assignment submission which has been uploaded. Again, here also I have given the direct link of that particular notice. No need to visit, even if you are finding it difficult to visit the RC website and then searching the notice. Direct link is available here. Click on this link. You will get the notice. That PDF file automatically you will get directly. No need to visit over here and there. So this link also we have given. Now evaluation, sir has already explained. Now in BCMCA program mein, there are certain things which you should know, that not all courses के लिए 30% will be weightage. For example, only for Eco 1, Eco 2 and FEG 2, assignment evaluation will have weightage of 30%. And term and examination will have weightage for 70%. But for all other courses related to BCA particularly and MCA, the assignment evaluation carries 25% weightage. Suppose if you have 100 marks का आपके मार्क शीट में it is 100 marks में से लिखा रहेगा कि you have scored 100 में से 60 marks or whatever, it contains 25% of your assignment and 75% of your term and examination. So always try hard to score much more, because assignment is what it is, just open book. You have questions, you have books, write the answers. So whatever points sir has told about how to write the assignments, you should always keep those points into your mind for writing the assignments, so that you can score much better and much good marks in assignments, because that carries 25% weightage. If you score much better marks in assignments, your percentage might go automatically. So that is what all these things again I am telling are available in the program guide. Now how it is evaluation methodology. Now somebody will ask कि practical examination में we have a written practicals का अलग है, term and practical examination अलग है, उसका assignment अलग है. Now how we have to do, कितना passing होता है, कितना weightage होता है. तो मैंने जैसे बोला BCMC प्रोग्राम में बहुत बड़ा लिस्ट होता है. It is a big list. So again program guide का link I have already given. I request all of you to please visit or to please check your program guide at least once. Today itself, it will be maybe by today or tomorrow, this mail we will send, this PPT we will send. So at least go through your program guide once. If you go through your program guide once, all these things, whatever doubts you have even, will be clarified. Now activities to be completed shortly. Short में बताएं अभी क्या करना है. पूरा इंडक्शन हमने अटेंड कर लिया, लेकिन हमें करना क्या है. हमें अक्टूबर 31 तक फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के असाइनमेंट देने हैं. बीसीए प्रोग्राम में 5 कोर्सेज या 6 कोर्सेज हैं, जो भी हैं, वो 5 या 6 कोर्सेज के असाइनमेंट्स 31 अक्टूबर तक सबमिट करने हैं. कहाँ सबमिट करने हैं बता दिया. एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म आपको भरना पड़ेगा. एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म भरना पड़ता है टू अपीयर फॉर एग्जामिनेशन. इट कॉस्ट ₹150 पर सब्जेक्ट. आपको 150 पर सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से एग्जामिनेशन फीस देनी पड़ेगी. ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म भरना पड़ता है. वो एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म अभी तक नहीं आया है. मे बी इन द लास्ट वीक ऑफ अक्टूबर और फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ नवंबर में वो एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म भी आ जाएगा. यू हैव टू फिल दैट एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म. आफ्टर फिलिंग दैट एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म you will be able to appear for your first semester exams in December 2020. तीसरी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या करनी है, आपको सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में एडमिशन लेना होता है. वो भी शुरू हो जाता है नवंबर या दिसंबर में. आप उस समय भी ले सकते हैं या स्किप करके नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में भी ले सकते हैं. पर स्किप करेंगे तो आपका जो 3 साल का मिनिमम ड्यूरेशन है वो 3.5 साल में चला जाएगा. पर वो आपके ऊपर है. मैक्सिमम ड्यूरेशन तो 6 साल का है. तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटीज, सबमिट योर असाइनमेंट्स, submit the examination form and apply for re-registration, and automatically December में आपका first semester का exam हो जाएगा. These are the contact details.
One question is there.
You can ask after the presentation, please.
Actually, in that presentation only it's written, so that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, all queries. Whatever queries sir you have, whatever query you have, you can write it down. Last में हम हर एक query sort out कर देंगे. कोई भी query नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
Actually सर वो presentation से related था ना, इसलिए पूछ रहा था.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. बताइए. अच्छा, क्या क्वेरी है?
बैक साइड में जाएंगे तो बता सकता हूँ.
क्या क्वेरी क्या था आपका?
उसमें सर नवंबर 2021 लिखा हुआ था. री रजिस्ट्रेशन
होगा उसमें. हाँ, नहीं वो 20 है, फिर वो चेंज कर देंगे हम.
ओके. ओके
हाँ वो 20 आपको, आप लोग को एसएमएस भी जाएगा री रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए वैसे। पर फिर से एक चीज, ये सारी चीजें जो आज हमने बता दी, स्पेशली ये स्लाइड जो अभी हम देख रहे हैं, ये एक्टिविटीज टू बी कंप्लीटेड, आप ये एक्सपेक्ट मत करिए कि आपको ईमेल जाएगा या एसएमएस जाएगा कि अब असाइनमेंट सबमिट करो, या फिर डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट सच थिंग्स कि आपको अब री रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है, अब एग्जाम फॉर्म आ गया है, अब असाइनमेंट डेट आ गई है, अब एग्जाम है। ये सारी चीजें हम आपको इन्फॉर्म नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी एक बार आपको इन्फॉर्म कर दी है, प्रोग्राम गाइड बता दिया है कि प्रोग्राम गाइड में डिटेल्स हैं। अभी अगर प्लीज मींस वी कैन नॉट, जनरली वी डू नॉट सेंड same thing again and again, because we have already explained all these things to you during the induction meeting. So we might not send these alerts and because later on many students come कि मुझे तो SMS ही नहीं आया कि assignment submit करना है. No, we have conducted the induction meeting. We have told everything about these things in induction meeting. So apart from that, you can always follow our Facebook page or keep on visiting the RC website for all such updates. There is no issue in that. Now this is important slide. If you have any query at any point of time related to your studies or any administrative issue, you can always send email to regional center through rcmumbai@ignou.ac.in. Second thing, this is the email ID of program coordinator, bca@ignou.ac.in. This bca@ignou.ac.in is the email ID of program coordinator who looks after your program related to your studies, who prepare your syllabus, who prepare your assignment question papers and all other things. They only prepare. Now again, sir was telling about NPTEL videos. This is very important link. Again, I have given, no need to visit anywhere. Directly click this particular link. You will automatically get all the videos related to MCA and BCA program. You will get all the videos. So all these links you can get. Now this was all about small presentation about BCA program. Now we will just go for MCA. Shortly we will have to complete and then.
हेलो हेलो सर सर
बोलिए।
हेलो सर, ये जो अभी आपने रिकॉर्ड किया है ये आप यूट्यूब पे डालने वाले हो या?
हाँ हम डाल देंगे।
ठीक है, थैंक सर। मुझे और ये पूछना था कि हार्ड कॉपीज का क्या होगा?
आप सर सारे क्वेश्चन हम लास्ट में ले लेंगे, इन्फॉर्म कर देंगे थोड़ी देर।
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
ठीक है, सो एमसीए प्रोग्राम में we have come for MCA. Again, minimum duration is 3 years, maximum duration is 6 years. Total credits is 108. Do not focus on this credit part. It is just I have written for information. Now, total courses are 31 courses. Total 31 courses you have to complete. Theory are 23, 6 are practical. One is mini project and the other is final project report you have to submit in last semester. This mini project is also in 4th semester. So, पहले 3 semester में आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Assignment, term and exam, assignment, term and practical exam. That is what you have to do. All other things are now important point. Again, same 75% attendance is compulsory. If you do not attend practical, if your attendance in practical is less than 75%, even if it is 74%, you will not be allowed. Please remember, nobody can come and claim that it is just 74%, 75% में 1% कम है. We cannot allow. The system will not allow you. So please do not fail to attend the टर्म एंड प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन. बिकॉज अगर आपने इनफैक्ट अगर एक बार आपने मिस भी कर दिया तो आपको वापस से नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में टर्म एंड प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम टर्म एंड मतलब प्रैक्टिकल सेशंस अटेंड करने के लिए प्रो रेटा फी भी भरना पड़ता है. तो आपका फी भी जाएगा वापस से अटेंड करने के लिए. तो एटलीस्ट प्रैक्टिकल सेशंस जो है उस पर आप कॉन्सेंट्रेट करिए कि वो आप अटेंड कर लें. उसके बाद सेम जैसे ही बीसीए में है सेमेस्टर बेस्ड, वैसे ही एमसीए में है. ये लिंक एमसीए स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है. ये आप क्लिक करेंगे तो 2012 से लेके 2020 तक के सारे सेमेस्टर्स के असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर आपको मिलेंगे इस लिंक में. लेकिन आपको अगेन सिर्फ लेटेस्ट वाला करना है. लेटेस्ट वाले का फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का जो है वो लिंक हमने आगे दिया है जैसे बीसीए में दिया था. लिंक्स फॉर एमसीए, दिस इज लिंक. आप सिर्फ ये लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे ऑटोमेटिकली एमसीए की जितनी भी मटेरियल है ना. ई ज्ञान कोश अभी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स एसएमएस कर रहे थे, मतलब चैट बॉक्स में लिख रहे थे कि वो इग्नू ई कंटेंट ऐप नहीं चल रहा है. देखिए इग्नू ई कंटेंट ऐप चलता है, एंड्रॉइड ऐप पे नहीं चल रहा होगा. हो सकता है इन दिनों कुछ एरर आ गया हो तो मुझे नहीं पता है. एप्पल फोन है अगर आपके पास तो उस पर नहीं चलेगा, बाकी चलता है. अगर आपको उसमें भी इशू है तो आप ई ज्ञान कोश पे जाइए. वो चाहे एंड्रॉइड हो चाहे एप्पल फोन हो, कैसा भी फोन हो, ये लिंक जो मैंने आपको दी है ये लिंक किसी भी फोन पे किसी भी टाइम काम करेगी, तो उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं. उसके बाद जैसे मैं बोल रहा था लिंक की बात कर रहा था, तो ये लिंक जो मैंने दिया है ये फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, दिस लिंक विल टेक यू डायरेक्टली फॉर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का क्वेश्चन पेपर which is the latest question paper for July 20 and January 2021. This question paper you can get. Now link for program guide again, BCA के लिए भी I have given program guide, MCA के लिए भी we are giving the program guide. Please I request once again to all the learners who are present here today, after completion of this induction meeting, just go through your program guide once. All these information which we are telling you today in this meeting are available in program guide as well. So please please go through your program guide once. The soft copy is available. Now link for project manual, again this all has to be done in the 5th semester, but just for your information, or if future में अगर आपको लगता है कि now project work start करना है, these links are available. Now link for recorded session also. वापस से MCA प्रोग्राम में जितने भी रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस हुए हैं, लाइव फेसबुक सेशंस हुए थे इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई एंड अगस्त, वो सारे लाइव फेसबुक सेशंस के जो वीडियोस हैं वो अपलोड किए गए हैं BCA की तरह MCA के लिए भी, और उसका लिंक हमने दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. Now assignment submission for first semester is to be done for December 2020. That is by 31st October is the last date. Now assignments are to be handwritten only. Link again I have given. Directly click the link. You will get directly the particular notice from where you have to submit the assignments. Assignments should be handwritten only. They have to be scanned and then they have to be submitted course code wise. Now course code of subject same है, program में क्या difference है, course में क्या difference है, मैंने already I have informed you all. Now activities to be completed same as BCA by December 2020 तक. October month and November month are most important months for you people. You have to, madam, sir, we will take the questions. Just wait for 5 minutes. We are going towards the questions only. Just wait for 5 minutes. It is October 2020 में you have to submit your assignment. You have to fill the examination form. You have to apply for re-registration maybe in November 2020. This 2021 लिखा है, one learner has pointed out. It will be rectified as 2020 and we will send it to you all. This will be uploaded at website also. And then appear for first semester exams in December 2020. Classes might start very soon, as regional director sir has already told. So this is the email ID as I told for BCA learners also. Now here NPTEL videos for BCA लिखा है मैंने, but the same link contains for MCA as well. And the email ID of program coordinator is mc@ignou.ac.in. For any queries, always send email to rcmumbai@ignou.ac.in. Now certain things. Now just I will stop this sharing and all. Now before we start the questions, no, please keep your mic muted. We will take the questions. Just small thing. Before we start the questions, just one small thing. Material dispatch has already been started because at regional center also we are receiving some return parcels, those who have not collected, and they are being informed who kiska bhi material, whomever material comes at our regional center because they do not collect at their home due to any reason, they all are getting emails. Those who have not received the hard copy as of now, they will receive it very soon, maybe by 25th October, as our regional directors are also told. In case you have applied for soft copy of material, you will not get any type of hard copy of material. You have to visit eGyan Kosh or IGNOU content app only. Third thing, even if you have opted for hard copy, you can use the soft copy available at eGyan Kosh. That is all about material. Assignments also we have provided. Re-registration ka SMS you might get very soon whenever it starts. Apart from that, classes will also start very soon. Now we will go for question answer. Before we start for question and answers, last thing, this video session is being recorded. It will be updated in our YouTube channel. This whole PPT, that was the general PPT which was presented by our regional director sir, and these two program specific PPTs, all these PPTs will be shared with you all. You can go through these PPTs later on also, because all the links are in these PPTs also, so you can use these links as well. Along with uploaded video, it will be shared with you all. So please don't be worried about sharing of these PPTs and all. Now we will take questions. Please, one thing I am telling, do not ask repetitive questions. Ask on the questions which are useful to all, and which we have already informed. If you have already informed some details, do not ask those questions again and again, because it will take more and more time. Now, how to ask the question? You have to write your name in the chat box. You will write your name in the chat box. I will call the name one by one, and then you can ask the query. Yes. Okay. Whomever name I will take, they only will unmute their mic. Apart from them, nobody should unmute their mic. Again, I am telling, सिंगल क्वेश्चन लास्ट तक का भी जो भी पर्सन है उनका भी क्वेश्चन हम आंसर करेंगे. फर्स्ट इज प्राची मेहता.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
हाँ.
So I want to ask you, I have registered for Arena. So how could I transfer it to Panvel College? That is BPO.
Yes, first thing again, sir has very clearly told. Again, I'm informing to you all the students of Arena Education, that is 1619, are being automatically getting shifted to 49033, that is माटुंगा. अगर अब आप में से किसी को माटुंगा नहीं पनवेल चाहिए, तो ट्रांसफर होने के बाद आपको एक ईमेल आएगा, मे बी 20-25 डेज में. उस ईमेल के आने के बाद आप हमें रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे तो हम पनवेल आपको शिफ्ट कर देंगे, उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है.
Okay, sir. My second question is for the practical attendance. How can we attend practical attendance right now? As per
So
the
see,
situation.
for that, university is already planning certain things. And for example, for last session के लिए we have already conducted online practicals. Accordingly, you
Exactly.
all will be informed. If it is online, you will be informed for online. If it is offline, you will be informed for offline. Whatever decision is taken by UGC and the university, you all will be informed accordingly.
Because the condition is I stay very far from Panvel as well as Matunga. So if it is there, we have to go there and learn practical because I have choose
Yes,
Jogeshwar.
madam, already whatever situation, matlab, whatever is good for learners, that only university will decide. So just wait for the schedule.
And the link which is provided in the chat box regarding that book or that book
See,
study
again, I
material
am
and all,
telling, I am
I'm not
already, I
able to,
have,
I'm not able to
no,
open, sir.
I have already told that I will be providing this PPT with all the learners. Now, this PPT contains the very correct link. Once you click
Okay.
that link, you will automatically get the material. So, no need for the links
Okay.
being provided in the chat box or WhatsApp group, which you all will be creating later on. Do not believe on any WhatsApp chats. If you have any query or any doubt, always send email to RC.
Okay, so basically right now we are just with the induction part and after that we have to start studying from the material we have online.
Yes,
Till the time we get our hard copy.
yes, yes.
Okay, and the examination date and details of the examination will be updated by you all too, right?
Yes, already we have informed all these things.
Okay, thank you.
Next again, I will be calling, but again, suppose somebody has asked some question, do not repeat those questions. Again, I am telling. Now, next is Ravi Kiran.
Yes, good evening, sir. Actually, I have enrolled
Yes.
for a BCA program. So,
Yes.
my query was that as of now, we have got our ID cards and all. But the thing is that when we try to log in the website with our enrollment number and date of
Yes.
birth and all, it says that
Yes, yes,
it says that there's no code found with this enrollment or this particular date of birth.
Yes.
So, what does that basically
Yes,
mean?
yes.
Actually? What is
Yes,
the
see,
problem?
yes, see, this thing, this registration details को update होना होता है. It has to be updated. So basically, it is a what university does. It gives single page to every learner. Now, every student has its own page in IGNOU. Now, that page you can see always in registration details. But as of now, for July 2020 learners, किसी भी student का registration details website पे reflect नहीं हुआ है. So no need to worry, no need to worry. You have received your enrollment number, you have received your ID card. It means your admission is confirmed. You can start with all your activities, writing assignments, attending the classes if conducted. For those registration details, just wait for some time. The university is updating. It will be updated very soon. So it is for all the learners. Registration details पर reflect नहीं हो रहा है. No issue. You have received enrollment number, ID card. Your admission is confirmed. Continue with the activities, academic activities.
Sir, my last query is that our schedules for the practice and the counseling sessions, so they'll be updated to us through emails, right?
Yeah, you will be informed through email.
Okay, that's it, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Amit Trivedi.
Yeah, hi sir. Yeah, I have one query. Like, I was an MCA student, and I had not able to complete my MCA course in the stipulated time. So now around 4 subjects are pending. One from third, fourth, and fifth semester. So I dropped a mail to IGNOU. They asked me to take a fresh admission and then do a credit transfer. Yeah. So I taken a admission here, and there it was asked me to pay the fees for the first semester. So I paid the fees. Now my query is that now the pending subject is from the third, fourth, and fifth semester, one each from each semester. The first semester is clear. So now what payment should I have to pay? Like I already paid the first semester. So do I have to pay the difference amount? Or?
No. What I'm telling, you have to pay the credit transfer fees. Suppose
Yeah.
आपका 31 courses में से 27 courses have got completed.
Yeah.
Your admission was revised MCA program में ना, same course.
Yeah. Same course.
Same course ना.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Same
so
course.
just you have to, suppose your 27 courses have got completed. You have to pay 27 into 500. That is 13,500 rupees. First thing you have to pay
Okay. Yeah.
through that credit transfer form. Now, along with that credit transfer form, you have to get your these 3-4 subjects transferred from third, fourth, fifth, and sixth semester respectively to the first semester. For that also some change of elective ka fees you will have to pay automatically. Then first semester mein you can complete all these courses.
Okay. So for the for the pending subject, I have to pay fees again, right?
No admission fees you have to pay. You just have to pay
Okay.
credit transfer fees for the completed subjects and
Okay.
change of elective fees for the pending subjects.
Okay, thank you, sir. And one more thing, like as I'm not able to log in the registration, then also I can fill the credit transfer form, right? Like
No,
giving my.
just wait for at least 1 month you can wait. There is no, because there is no date limit for credit transfer form. You can submit it at any time.
So then how will I be able to appear for December exam? Is it possible, or I have to go for the June?
Yeah, you can go for June. There is no problem in that.
Okay, and as you mentioned, there is 75% compulsory admission. So will that be applied for me also, as I have pending subject in the 3 semesters, third, fourth, and
No,
fifth?
do you have practicals also? Practical also?
No, all practicals are clear.
If you don't have practical, it is only for practical course. If you have practical courses pending, then 75% attendance is for you also. If no
Okay,
practical, so no attendance.
okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then somebody covert operations is asking exam postpone possible. See, if suppose those students who had taken admission in January 2020 for BCA program, they were supposed to write their first semester exams in June 2020. But as per the guidelines of UGC, the examination was conducted only for final year semester students. So their exams have been postponed to December. Now, suppose the situation goes well and university says that you can conduct examinations now for all semester students. So your exams will be in December only. It cannot be postponed. The thing is that if you do not wish, or if you cannot give exams in December, you can automatically give exams in June by paying the examination fees in April. That is all. So I think this doubt is clear. Now, Suchit Chaurasia.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
पूछिए.
Good
evening, बोलिए.
sir, I have two questions. Sir, जैसे प्रैक्टिकल सेशन है और प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम बराबर, तो जो प्रैक्टिकल सेशन है सर, ये मतलब कंपलसरी है 75%, तो इसका जो सेशन रहेगा वो वीकेंड में कभी भी हो सकता है या फिर सैटरडे संडे ही होगा, ऐसा क्वेश्चन था मेरा.
देखिए, जो भी अगर आपका ऑफलाइन हो रहा है, मतलब आपको स्टडी सेंटर अगर हम बुलाते हैं तो वो सिर्फ संडे को ही बुलाते हैं, या फिर बहुत होता है तो सैटरडे को. वीकडेज में कभी भी नहीं बुलाते हैं, चाहे वो एग्जामिनेशन हो, मतलब प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन हो या फिर प्रैक्टिकल सेशन या थियरी सेशन हो, हमेशा सैटरडे या संडे को ही होता है.
ओके सर. और टर्म एंड एग्जामिनेशन भी सैटरडे संडे को ही होगा?
नहीं, टर्म एंड एग्जामिनेशन पूरा महीना चलता है, तो किसी भी दिन आपका एग्जामिनेशन हो सकता है.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
उसके बाद सुनीता पाटिल.
Yes, sir. Sir, where we receive our syllabus, हमें syllabus कहाँ से मिलेगा?
सिलेबस मतलब मटेरियल. मैडम ऑलरेडी हमने बताया कि आपको पोस्ट से जाएगा.
मतलब
अगर आपने हार्ड कॉपी ऑप्ट किया है
नहीं होता है क्या? सॉरी.
हाँ जी
सर, अगर सिलेबस जो होता है, लाइक अभी स्टडी मटेरियल हम रिसीव करेंगे, मतलब वो जो बुक्स होती है उसमें कोई सिलेबस नहीं होता है एग्जाम के लिए?
सिलेबस मतलब पूरा बुक ही आपका सिलेबस है.
पूरा बुक ही मतलब ये जो अभी हम बुक रिसीव करेंगे, ये सिर्फ फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर नहीं, मतलब ये जो हम बुक रिसीव करेंगे अभी, ये फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का पूरा स्टडी मटेरियल है?
हाँ, आपको 5-6 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, हर सब्जेक्ट में 4 या 5 ब्लॉक्स होते हैं, हर ब्लॉक
यस
में कई सारे चैप्टर्स होते हैं।
जी जी
अगर आप ये मतलब आप ये जानना चाहती हैं कि कौन सा चैप्टर आएगा या
यस
कौन सा
यस
ब्लॉक आएगा,
यस
वैसा नहीं होता है। आपको फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का पूरा 5 सब्जेक्ट का ढेर सारा, सर ने बोला बल्कि मटेरियल होता है,
जी
बहुत
जी
सारा आता है,
जी
तो
जी
पूरे में से ही आएगा। उसके लिए हाँ, आप
ओके ओके
प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर जो है वो आप रेफर कर सकती हैं।
ओके मतलब
हाँ, ऐसा चैप्टर वाइज सिलेबस आपको नहीं मिलेगा।
सिलेबस जैसा कुछ नहीं होता, पूरी बुक्स हमें पढ़। वन मोर
नहीं,
क्वेश्चन इज असाइनमेंट
हाँ
हमें
हाँ,
सबमिट कर। ओके ओके फाइन, थैंक यू सर। असाइनमेंट जो सबमिट करना है तो असाइनमेंट में क्या लिखना है वो कहाँ से पता चलेगा?
असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर होता है, वो ऑलरेडी मैंने बताया आप लोगों को कि लिंक मैंने दे दी है, आपको
मतलब
पीपीटी में मिल जाएगा लिंक।
क्वेश्चन
वो
पेपर
लिंक
होते हैं
खोलना
उसके
है,
आंसर्स,
क्वेश्चन आपको, उसके आंसर्स आपको बुक से मिलेंगे।
वो हमें आंसर्स फाइंड आउट करके लिखना होता है क्या?
हाँ,
ओके ओके। एक्चुअली आई एम फ्रेशर स्टूडेंट सर, आई डोंट हैव आइडिया अबाउट एनीथिंग, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम
नहीं मैडम,
आस्किंग दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। हाँ
यहाँ पे जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स इस मीटिंग में हैं, सारे फ्रेश एडमिशन के स्टूडेंट्स ही हैं और कोई भी नहीं है, कोई इशू नहीं। कितना भी
ओके ओके
डाउट हो आप पूछ सकते हैं। अगर
हाँ
आपका
हाँ
डाउट फिर भी क्लियर ना हो तो आप बाद में ईमेल करके भी पूछ सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है।
ओके। मतलब असाइनमेंट सर ऑल सब्जेक्ट के होते हैं और वो क्वेश्चन टाइप होते हैं, उसके आंसर्स हमें सबमिट करने होते हैं।
हाँ, ओके।
हेलो,
हाँ
यस
जी,
सर,
हाँ,
उसके आंसर्स
वही,
रिटर्न करके हमें सबमिट करना होता है।
हाँ
ओके।
हाँ
और सर अभी जो हमने अभी एडमिशन लिया है अभी दिस ईयर मतलब सितंबर में, तो हमारी एग्जाम दिसंबर में होगी?
हाँ, दिसंबर में आपका फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जाम शुरू हो जाएगा।
अ, और तुरंत ही मतलब सेकेंड सेमेस्टर के लिए हमें फॉर्म भी भरना है?
सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का फॉर्म भी आपको नवंबर या दिसंबर में से जब भी आएगा तब
तो
भरना
इट्स
पड़ेगा।
टू लेस टाइम, मतलब 2-3 मंथ्स ओनली सर?
अब वो तो है ही मैडम, उन्होंने इस बार एडमिशन डेट बढ़ाते गए। तो अगर आपको
ओके ओके।
ज्यादा, अगर आपको लग रहा है नहीं हो सकता, तो आप जून में फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का एग्जाम दे दीजिएगा।
लेकिन टाइम पीरियड फिर बढ़ जाएगा ना हमारे लिए?
हाँ, आपका 3.5 साल में कंप्लीट होगा डिग्री, बस और क्या।
ओके ओके, ठीक है सर,
हाँ,
थैंक यू।
नेक्स्ट इज उजैर।
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलिए।
Hello. Yes, sir.
हाँ
Sir,
बोलिए बोलिए।
if I have submitted the assignment for this December exam, but unfortunately, if I am not attending the exam, so can I skip that exam to June?
हाँ, देखिए, आपने असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर सकते हैं, कर दिया, लेकिन एग्जाम नहीं दिया, कोई इशू नहीं। आप एग्जामिनेशन जून में लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए जून के टाइम पे एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म भरिएगा फीस के साथ। और असाइनमेंट
Okay.
आपको फिर से सबमिट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। एक बार आपने असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर दिया और उस असाइनमेंट में आप पास हो गए, तो जब तक आपका एडमिशन वैलिड है तब तक आपको वो असाइनमेंट फिर से सबमिट नहीं करना पड़ेगा।
Okay.
हाँ,
Okay. Thank you.
ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज मनु शंकर।
Good evening, sir. This is Manu.
हाँ बोलिए।
So my question is regarding the practical session, because right now I'm not in Mumbai. Originally, when I enrolled on the program, I was living in Mumbai. Because of the COVID and everything, I have to came back to Kerala. So my concern is, how will I attend if the practical sessions are not online? How can I attend it? Because if there are no real way for me to come back to Mumbai right now.
Okay, see, as far as one thing we all know, that at least till 31st October, we are not going to have any sessions at your
Yeah.
study centers.
Yeah.
Okay, so 31st October tak there is no issue. After that, if government decides to open the centers, at that time centers will be opened. So
Okay.
at that time you will have to come and attend the sessions. In case you are permanently shifting to Kerala, then you can get your center changed to Kerala.
Okay. Okay. But if the government opens a center, because are there any option for any online, there are any online sessions like for practicals?
No. If
No.
we will conduct either online or offline.
Okay. But there are no options because I can't opt for an online only.
No. If you are conducting online, well and good for you. You can attend from Kerala. But as of now, it is online only. But just let us see what happens, because we also don't know what is going to happen.
And there is one more issue. I have till now I'm not able to download the ID card. So student ID card. So how can I do that?
Okay, if you're not, you have to log in into your ID using username and password.
Yeah, but unfortunately I'm not able to do it. So
okay, no issues. What you can do, after 10 or 15 days, you send email to us, rcmumbai@ignou.ac.in. At that time, we will download your ID card and we'll send to you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Next is
Excuse me, sir.
शीतल मखीजा.
Excuse me, sir.
बोलिए मैडम.
सर अभी तक बुक नहीं रिसीव हुए तो 31 अक्टूबर तक कैसे सबमिट मतलब असाइनमेंट सबमिट करेंगे?
मैडम सॉफ्ट कॉपी है ना मटेरियल का?
सॉफ्ट कॉपी है, उसमें से करना है.
वो जो पीपीटी देंगे उसमें सॉफ्ट कॉपी भी रहेगा.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू.
शीतल मखीजा.
यस सर.
हाँ जी, पूछिए.
मुझे खाली ये पूछना था कि आई हैव साइंड अप फॉर द बीसीए कोर्स, but if I want to sign up for the BCA MCA integrated course, then how can I do it? Can I still do it if it's possible?
See, what generally happens, BCA MCA integrated course, once you complete your BCA, if you complete your BCA at least in 4 years.
I am planning to complete in 3 years, so that's for sure.
What I am telling, generally at least in 4 years, if you complete, automatically you will get admission. You will get a chance to get admission in MCA 3rd semester automatically.
और अगर 3 साल में किया तो भी 3rd semester में admission है.
MCA 3rd मतलब आपको MCA 1st semester skip हो जाएगा automatically. 1st year skip हो जाएगा. तो 3rd semester में आपको you will directly get admission.
तो वो मैं जब भी मेरा BCA का लास्ट सेमेस्टर होएगा तब करूंगी ना?
हाँ, जब आपका BCA का लास्ट सेमेस्टर होगा उस समय. अब उस समय तक अगर कुछ रूल्स चेंज हो जाएंगे तो हम बोल नहीं सकते, बट एज ऑफ नाउ द यूनिवर्सिटी इज ऑफरिंग BCA MCA इंटीग्रेटेड.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
गणेश अंधाले.
No sir, I don't have any doubts, sorry.
Okay, then next is Joel James. Okay, you also are for WhatsApp group, then no issues. Vasumati Rajmohan, also for group I think. Then Girish Bajaj. Now just one thing I am telling again, WhatsApp group, creating WhatsApp group is a good activity because you all can share the things, but again do not believe on the information given on the WhatsApp group by somebody else. Always believe on the if the information is uploaded on RC website or you have received email. If you have doubt that it is correct or not, it is whatever I have received is true or not, always send email to us, because later on if you come to us that WhatsApp group I had received so and so notification, then nobody can help you. So it is good to have WhatsApp group for sharing the information, but keep it up to sharing the information only, correct information. Okay, next Girish Bajaj.
Sir, regarding this BCMC, as you said, can we just now only itself, can we enroll it for BCMC, or it is after the 5th semester?
No.
If it is possible for us to...
Right now you are only a BCA student. You have to complete your BCA only. Once, if you fulfill the eligibility at that particular time in 6th semester, then university automatically will send you application that you are eligible for BCA MCA integrated. You can opt directly for MCA second year. At that time, if the university asks you, you can fill the form.
So the option right now it is not there. It will be only available after 5th. Am I right, sir?
After BCA.
After 5th semester. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next is Manish Dubey.
हेलो सर, गुड इवनिंग.
हाँ जी, बोलिए
सर. थोड़ा मेरा क्वेश्चन लॉन्ग रहेगा क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन किया ये मीटिंग.
सर नॉर्मल इन्फॉर्मेशन तो हमने दे दी है, कुछ स्पेसिफिक है तो बताइए.
अच्छा, तो ये जो पीपीटी का आप बोल रहे हो तो इसका लिंक कहाँ मिलेगा?
ये पीपीटी तो आपको ईमेल पर ही शेयर कर देंगे हम.
आप ईमेल पे शेयर करोगे? एक्चुअली मेरा डाउट सर ये था कि जो अभी एमसीए का जो कोर्स है, एक्चुअली आई हैड कंप्लीटेड बीसीए इन 2012. सो एमसीए के लिए मैंने ये ईयर एडमिशन लिया है, तो मेरा जो एमसीए होगा वो 2 ईयर होगा या 3 ईयर होगा?
3 ईयर होगा.
3 ईयर का होगा. और जो अभी यूजीसी ने भी बीच में आया था, उन्होंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया था कि एमसीए नाउ इज द ओनली फॉर द 2 इयर्स।
अभी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में उन्होंने क्या बोला है क्या नहीं हमें पता नहीं है, लेकिन एज ऑफ नाउ यूनिवर्सिटी इज ऑफरिंग ओनली फॉर 3 इयर्स एमसीए।
स्टिल अभी भी एमसीए 3 इयर्स का ही है अभी जो
अभी भी 3 इयर्स का है।
ओके सर, एक्चुअली मेरा डाउट ये है कि प्रैक्टिकल एंड असाइनमेंट्स ये जो आप बोल रहे हो, तो प्रैक्टिकल के लिए ये सेशंस कब से स्टार्ट होंगे, और प्रैक्टिकल का जो सेशन है वो कंपलसरी अटेंड करना है?
देखिए, आपने बीसीए कहाँ से कंप्लीट किया है?
इट्स YCMOU यूनिवर्सिटी यशवंत राव।
नहीं, देखिए क्या है, आपका जो थियोरी क्लासेस है वो मे बी 1 हफ्ते 10 दिन में स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। प्रैक्टिकल भी उसी हिसाब से देखेंगे, अगर परमिट करती है यूनिवर्सिटी ऑनलाइन करने के लिए तो वो भी स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे। जब भी स्टार्ट होंगे आपको ईमेल आ जाएगा शेड्यूल का, जैसे आज इंडक्शन का आया है वैसे ही उस टाइम शेड्यूल का भी ईमेल आपको आ जाएगा।
ओके और ये जो प्रैक्टिकल्स के आप बोल रहे हो कि प्रैक्टिकल आपका कब तक सबमिट करना है और क्या डेट है उसका, ये सब
वो तो पीपीटी में आपको मालूम, 31 अक्टूबर अभी असाइनमेंट सबमिशन डेट है।
31 अक्टूबर। और मुझे कहाँ माटुंगा में ही सबमिट करना है या ऑफलाइन है उसका कुछ स्कैनिंग?
वो ऑनलाइन है, उसको स्कैन करके आपको ऑनलाइन सबमिट करना है।
अच्छा, रिटर्न करके उसका स्कैन करके फिर सेंड करना है, ऐसा?
हाँ, वो एक लिंक पीपीटी में है, उस लिंक पे एक नोटिस है, जब वो नोटिस खुलेगा तो उसमें 10-12 पॉइंट लिखा हुआ है, तो सारे 10-12 पॉइंट पढ़ लीजिएंगे तो आपके ये सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे। हैंड रिटन है, स्कैन है, कैसे स्कैन, सारी चीजें क्लियर हो जाएंगी उसमें।
ओके, तो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर से ही स्टार्ट करना है मुझे यानी?
हाँ, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर से ही स्टार्ट करना है।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
हेलो।
हाँ, 1 मिनट सर, अभी आपका नंबर नहीं आया है मेरे ख्याल में। मनीष दुबे, आर्या कुलकर्णी, अगेन आई थिंक व्हाट्सएप नंबर दिया होगा। आर्या कुलकर्णी, अगर आपको कुछ इशू है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, अदरवाइज देन चौहान उर्मी, बीसीए लर्नर रिगार्डिंग चेंज ऑफ स्टडी सेंटर। चेंज ऑफ स्टडी सेंटर के लिए आप हमें नवंबर मंथ में कांटेक्ट करिए, उस समय आपका चेंज ऑफ स्टडी सेंटर हो जाएगा।
ओके सर, तो मैंने ऑलरेडी मेल कर दिया, गुड इवनिंग।
हाँ, मतलब मेल अभी मत करिए, नवंबर में ही कांटेक्ट करिए वापस से। अभी तो आपको रिप्लाई आ जाएगा कि आप नवंबर में रिप्लाई कर कांटेक्ट करने के लिए। Next is somebody, Mr. VIP is asking where can I sir, always you can contact us through email anytime. Mr. VIP sir, you can always contact us through email. Then I am from Thane. Okay, me too. BCA students, DMB, WhatsApp, anybody doing MCA, your number please. Sir, I already replied this. Afroz Sheikh, then Joel James, Sri Ram Chandrasekhar. I think everybody share your emails, MCA people. Hi. Sushant Shirke.
Hello sir. So I've just checked the link which is provided into PPT, and it is redirecting me to the only video content. So can I get it a text content in a PDF format so that I can download and take a printout?
No. Text or video, I didn't understand. We have given 2-3 links. There are links for videos and therefore there are links for PDF format also. I don't know which links you have checked out.
No. So I just checked the link which is provided in the PPT, which you have just listed down in PPT. It only redirects me to the video link.
Yeah, maybe you were checking the video list. I don't know. Once see, I will share the link, PPT today. You check all the links. There are 3 links. 2 are for videos. 1 is for material, that is PDF format. Still, if you have any problem, any query, send the screenshot and email. I will check and let you know, because I had opened in afternoon, they were working properly.
Yeah, because I just checked it now. If needed, I can share my screen, so even other people will know that way how to download. So if you can.
Well, I think the screen sharing has been disabled for the participants. Okay. Anyhow, just I will share the link. If you have any query, you just send the screenshot. No issues. I will check and I will let you know. No issues in that.
Okay, sure. Or let me put that screenshot right now, because I was just using that same link, and I'll just put that.
Yes, you can check.
I'll put that screenshot now. Can we put
Okay, you can send email, sir. No issues in that.
okay.
You just check it once again after sharing the PPT. Check it once again in evening, or by tomorrow morning. Might be we will be sharing. Whenever we send, just check it once again. If the same issue continues, you send email. But
Okay.
send a separate email. Do not send in as in reply. Send a
No,
separate.
I'll send a separate email. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
Next
sir.
is Ravina Chauhan.
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
I am MCA student. As per my knowledge, MCA was of 2 years, but you told 3 year course.
मैडम इग्नू में एमसीए इज फॉर 3 years 6 semesters प्रोग्राम 6 सेमेस्टर होते हैं मैडम.
But I have asked in mail also. They told us that it is of 2 year.
कौन से ईमेल पे पूछा था आपने?
इग्नू के. I have the screenshot also.
आप एक बार ईमेल आईडी बता दीजिए मुझे.
ईमेल आईडी ओके वेट.
हेलो सर, मेरा भी सेम क्वेश्चन था. admission.rc49@gmail.com यहाँ से मुझे मेल आया था कि MCA is 2-year master degree program and semester based program. Can you please confirm that?
No sir, I have just checked it once again. It is 3-year program only. Maybe they might have sent master degree करके they might have sent for 2 years, but it is for 3 years only. Again, you all can check in the common prospectus. It is available.
Actually ये 2 years का इसलिए मैंने ये ज्वाइन किया है स्पेशली कि 2 years में MCA हो जाएगा.
Maybe master करके
प्लीज कंफर्म करो कुछ.
No, it is very confirmed, sir. It is 3 years only. I have just checked it again.
I got a tweet from with, the conference, so I can share that. Hello.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
सर मैं वो कॉन्फ्रेंस जो हुआ था ऑल इंडिया समथिंग जो इंस्टीट्यूशन है अपना उसका मेरे पास ट्वीट है और लिंक भी है पूरा.
नहीं वो सर आप यूजीसी का बता रहे हैं.
मैं वो शेयर कर सकता.
डिस्कस किया होगा. वो इम्प्लीमेंट कराएंगे कब कराएंगे वो पता नहीं है. एज ऑफ नाउ हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में एमसीए इज फॉर 3 years. आपको मैं शेयर कर देता हूँ आप सभी लोगों को. रुक जाइए. नाउ ये देखिए ये एमसीए प्रोग्राम है. आपको दिख रहा होगा. ड्यूरेशन आप देख सकते हैं. मिनिमम इज 3 years एंड मैक्सिमम इज 6 years. आपको टोटल 6 सेमेस्टर्स हैं. लास्ट सेमेस्टर में सिर्फ एक ही कोर्स होता है प्रोजेक्ट, तो 2.5 भी बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि आपको फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर से ही सिनॉप्सिस वगैरह बनाना पड़ता है. लेकिन टोटल 2.36 सेमेस्टर्स हैं इसमें.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ सर, मैंने भी सेम ही चीज मेल किया था.
हाँ
तो मुझे भी सिर्फ 2 years का ही आया है मेल.
मे भी आप लोग को जो जिस ईमेल पे आया है आप उस पर एक बार वापस से रिवर्ट कर दीजिए. मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ. उन्होंने मास्टर करके शायद से 2 साल बोला होगा, बट इट इज फॉर 3 years.
मैं आपको पढ़ के भी सुना दूं. मतलब मैंने पूछा था कि एमसीए 2 years का कोर्स है या 3 years का. कंफ्यूजन था मुझे भी. तो मुझे ऐसा आया था, यस द एडमिशन फॉर एमसीए हैज स्टार्टेड. लास्ट डेट टू सबमिट द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म इज 31st August 2020. होल एडमिशन प्रोसेस इज फुल्ली ऑनलाइन. और ईमेल वो ये था लिंक था. नीचे लिखा है एमसीए इज अ 2 years मास्टर डिग्री प्रोग्राम and semester based program. Eligibility for the program is graduation in any discipline. Fees is 12,000 ऐसा.
ठीक है वो चेक कर लेते हैं. लेकिन वो 3 year का ही प्रोग्राम है. इसमें कुछ भी वो नहीं है. प्रोस्पेक्टस और वेबसाइट पे भी वही है. तो 3 year का ही प्रोग्राम है. तो उसमें कुछ कंफर्म नहीं कर सकते हैं अभी हम. आप सभी अभिजीत ओके आकाश सूर्यवंशी मनीष दुबे. ओके सो आई थिंक जिन लोगों ने भी क्वेरीज पूछी थी उनकी सारी नाम मैंने ले लिए हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एनीबडी एल्स हैज एनी क्वेरी?
So just one thing I want to confirm. Till what date we get the transfer certificate? Means at what time we are going to transfer our admission from Jogeshwari to Matunga, because I want to take into Panvel.
See, again I am what I am telling that for change of your center to Panvel contact us in the month of November. As of now, everything will be online. So in whatever center you are, you can attend from anywhere. So for change of
Yes,
center,
sir,
you
definitely.
contact
It
us.
should not be like that. I have to go to Matunga for exam. It would be far long for me. So that's why I'm just
Even
giving.
no exams, you can appear automatically in Panvel, because while filling the examination form, you can choose Panvel as your exam center.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
हेलो
हाँ जी, पूछिए।
हाँ गुड इवनिंग सर।
हाँ बोलिए।
गुड इवनिंग सर, कामिल बात कर रहा हूँ।
बोलिए। हाँ हाँ
जी सर, आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग बेसिक क्वेश्चन। मैंने जस्ट अभी एडमिशन लिया है जुलाई सेशन में, 2020 जुलाई सेशन फॉर बीसीए। एरिना प्रोग्राम स्टडी सेंटर है मेरा, एरिना एजुकेशन टेक्नोलॉजीज लिमिटेड करके है। तो आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग सर, मुझे इसके नेक्स्ट, ऐसा मैंने एडमिशन ले लिया, मुझे नेक्स्ट क्या करना होगा ऐसा, मुझे फिर आफ्टर दैट?
सर मेरे ख्याल में आपने लेट ज्वाइन किया हुआ है।
यस यस सर।
आपको कई सारी चीज करनी है, असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना है, एग्जाम फॉर्म भरना है।
जी।
ये सारी अभी मैंने डिस्कस किया, हमने ये सारी चीजें, हमारे सर ने भी डिस्कस किया स्टार्ट में। वो सारी
जी।
चीजें आपको, ये वीडियो का जो भी ये सेशन था, इसका रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन और ये जो पीपीटी शेयर हुए हैं, वो सारा चीज आपको ईमेल कर देंगे हम।
कौन से एक्चुअली मतलब कौन से ईमेल आईडी पे आप सेंड करेंगे सर? पर्सनल ईमेल आईडी मेरा रजिस्टर्ड है।
आपका रजिस्टर्ड, जो भी रजिस्टर्ड है उसी पे, जिस पे आज आपको मेल आया इस सेशन के लिए, उसी पे।
ओके, रिकॉर्डेड सेशन है क्या? ओके, प्रॉपर
रिकॉर्डेड सेशन और आपका ईमेल आईडी दोनों भेज देंगे, पीपीटी दोनों भेज देंगे आपको।
ओके सर, मुझे एक्चुअली ये जानना था। और हेलो,
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए।
अभी जस्ट हम लोग, आई थिंक हम लोगों का एडमिशन भी इस बार ड्यूरिंग द कोविड सिचुएशन एडमिशन भी लेट हुआ आई थिंक। तो मतलब कितने दिन के बाद ऐसा वापस सेमेस्टर 2 में हम लोग एडमिशन ले सकते हैं सर ऐसा?
सेमेस्टर 2 को देखिए, आप एलिजिबल तो अभी दिसंबर या नवंबर में ही हो जाएंगे सेमेस्टर 2 के लिए। लेकिन अगर आप चाहते हैं और डिले करना, तो आप नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर, नेक्स्ट साइकिल में ले लीजिएगा, पर आप एलिजिबल नवंबर या दिसंबर में ही हो जाएंगे।
अच्छा, नेक्स्ट हम लोग मतलब उसके बाद अगर हम लोग का भी असाइनमेंट वगैरह कुछ ऐसा कंप्लीट करना है क्या, ऐसा 30 ऐसा कुछ?
हाँ, और 31 अक्टूबर अभी लास्ट डेट है,
और
शायद एक्सटेंड भी हो जाए।
फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का ऐसा एग्जाम कभी होने वाला है सर?
दिसंबर में।
एग्जाम कुछ ऑनलाइन होता है या फिर ऐसा ऑफलाइन
नहीं,
सर?
हैंड रिटन ऑफलाइन।
यहाँ हम लोग का जो स्टडी सेंटर है वहीं होगा या फिर कहाँ होगा सर?
आप कोई भी एग्जाम सेंटर चूज कर सकते हैं अवेलेबल लिस्ट में से।
अच्छा, उसके लिए सब चीजें 1 बाय 1 नोटिफिकेशन कुछ आएंगे?
हाँ, नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आएगा आपको, आज जो इंडक्शन में बता देंगे वही फाइनल नोटिफिकेशन।
ओके, वन मोर थिंग सर, मैं जस्ट एक चीज लॉगिन कर रहा था इग्नू के लिए। मुझे जस्ट 1 सेकंड, आई एम जस्ट लॉगिन।
आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन डिटेल्स में आप लॉगिन कर रहे होंगे, और मैंने
जी सर। तो मुझे आई थिंक एक इशू आ रहा है।
आप रजिस्ट्रेशन डिटेल में लॉगिन।
जी जी सर, बोलिए सर। यस सर,
बोलिए बोलिए। आप रजिस्ट्रेशन डिटेल में लॉगिन कर रहे हैं, तो वहां पे लॉगिन नहीं होगा, ऑलरेडी हमने स्टूडेंट्स को बता दिया है, उसके लिए वेट करिए थोड़ा और टाइम।
एनरोलमेंट,
आपको एनरोलमेंट नंबर मिल गया है,
मैं
तो
एनरोलमेंट नंबर से, जी एनरोलमेंट नंबर मिल चुका है, बट मैं यहाँ पे लॉगिन कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे कुछ एरर आ रहे हैं सर। तो इससे कुछ ऐसा ये नहीं है ना, बस एडमिशन कंफर्म नहीं हुआ ऐसा सर? 1 सेकंड, जस्ट आई एम लॉगिन सर।
वो आ रहा होगा कि आपका एनरोलमेंट नंबर और प्रोग्राम एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है।
यस यस यस, राइट सर।
वही एरर मैंने सबको बताया स्टूडेंट्स को, कि वो कोई इशू नहीं है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली कुछ दिन बाद अपडेट हो जाएगा। किसी का भी अपडेट नहीं हुआ है अभी तक।
ओके, किसी का भी नहीं हुआ है। ओके, नो इशू सर, चलेगा। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
हेलो सर,
कैन आई लीव दिस?
हाँ
ओके। हेलो,
बोलिए।
माई सेल्फ शमीर अंतरी फ्रॉम उदयपुर सर। सर मेरे को एक डाउट था कि जैसे एग्जाम अभी दिसंबर में जो होने वाले हैं, और सर बहुत कम टाइम है, अगर हम पढ़ नहीं पाए, दिसंबर में एग्जाम नहीं दिया, तो विदाउट एग्जाम, मतलब जो वो एग्जाम देंगे हम जून में देंगे, तो उसके बाद फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर पास होगा ना? तो
हाँ,
उसके पहले मतलब सेकेंड सेमेस्टर के लिए रजिस्टर हो सकते हैं कि नहीं?
हाँ, हो सकता है, मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया। देखिए, इग्नू में क्या होता है, आप फर्स्ट ईयर पास करने से पहले आपको सेकेंड ईयर में एडमिशन लेना होता है। फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर पास एग्जाम देने से पहले ही आपको सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में एडमिशन लेना होता है, ऐसे ही है। आपको
और सर
एग्जाम जब
अगर
लिखेंगे
कोई
दिसंबर में, दिसंबर के पहले ही आपको सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में एडमिशन लेना है।
सर अगर एडमिशन सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में ले लिया और फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में नहीं क्लियर कर पाए, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर क्लियर नहीं हो पाया तो?
कोई इशू नहीं, बाद में क्लियर करिए।
अच्छा, ओके सर, यही डाउट। थैंक यू सर।
तो और किसी लर्नर को आई थिंक कोई इशू नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी नाम भी नहीं है चैट बॉक्स में। सो मे बी दिस इंडक्शन मीटिंग वी हैड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टू इन्फॉर्म यू many other details। अगर आपको
एक्सक्यूज मी
बोलिए।
सर, ये कॉल सेंटर पे अगर हम कॉल करते हैं तो कभी लगता नहीं है सर। प्रॉपर नंबर कुछ मिल सकता है क्या कॉल करने के लिए?
मैडम हमारे पास 2 फोन नंबर हैं, वो
जी
हमेशा चालू रहते हैं, लेकिन हमेशा बिजी रहते हैं, क्योंकि हमेशा कोई ना कोई उस पे कॉल पे रहता है। तो इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा
ओके
हूँ, कभी भी कॉल करने से
हाँ
ज्यादा अच्छा आप लोग ईमेल करें, क्योंकि आपको ईमेल पे
ओके।
जल्दी रिस्पांस मिल जाएगा और सेटिस्फैक्टरी रिस्पांस जल्दी मिल जाएगा।
और अगर सर रीजनल सेंटर के किसी मतलब एम्प्लॉय का नंबर हमारे पास है तो वो उन्हें कॉल करेंगे तो चलेगा क्या?
नहीं, पर आपके पास नंबर ही नहीं होगा, आप ईमेल ही
है,
करिए तो ज्यादा सही रहेगा।
नंबर तो है सर मेरे पास, ये जो पनवेल में है, पनवेल
अच्छा, वो
में जो
स्टडी
रीजनल सेंटर
सेंटर
है
में
वहाँ
है।
पे, स्टडी सेंटर, सॉरी
हाँ,
हाँ स्टडी सेंटर में
अगर
ललिता
वहाँ
मैम
पे
का नंबर।
हाँ, अगर मैडम रिस्पांस कर रही है, मतलब क्योंकि उनका अपना कॉलेज एक्टिविटी भी होता है, कई बार हो सकता है
जी
वो आपको रिस्पांस ना दे पाए। तो अगर
यस
मैडम
यस
रिस्पांस दे रही हैं तो वेल एंड गुड, कोई इशू नहीं है, आप कांटेक्ट कर सकती
हाँ
हैं।
हाँ
लेकिन वो मैडम के ऊपर है, आप
जी जी
उनका नंबर लेके,
हाँ।
स्टूडेंट्स किसी का नंबर लेके उन्हें फोर्स नहीं कर सकते हैं कि कॉल
नहीं नहीं
उठाना ही
नो
है।
सर, एक्चुअली नहीं, वैसे फोर्स नहीं सर, बट आई जस्ट हैव डाउट बिकॉज
हाँ, नहीं,
मैंने
मैं
जब एडमिशन नहीं
ओवरऑल
लिया
बता
था,
रहा हूँ।
हाँ दैट टाइम उन्होंने मुझे
आप
नंबर
कभी
दिया
भी
था।
एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आप ईमेल पे, अगर आपको रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा है तो आप कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं, या बोल
ईमेल
सकते हैं कि
एड्रेस
आप
सर
रिप्लाई
कौन
नहीं
सा है?
देते हैं।
ये मुझे
आरसी
जिसपे अभी
मुंबई
मैंने मेल रिसीव
@ignoo.ac.in में।
किया है वो क्या?
हाँ, वही वही
ओके
मैंने
ओके, थैंक
चैट
यू
बॉक्स
सो
में भी
मच।
डाल दिया है, वही।
जी जी
ठीक है। तो okay,
थैंक यू
so
सो मच सर।
once again thanks to one and all present here। we hope that most of your queries must have been
Sir,
solved।
yes sir,
बोलिए।
thanks a lot for all the details that you have given, really appreciate it। actually this is Abhijit। just last query I had is whether I mean now since these dates will get pushed, right, from October assignments to November and all, so whether that will affect any kind of admission process from the next semester or something like that or not? Just wanted to ask that। And second, is there any process to change the address? Because due to this pandemic, few of us might be, coming back to their own native places. So, is there any kind of process to change the address so that we can get our material out there at the native address? Just
See,
these questions are there.
just first thing, that the dates are always fixed in IGNOU. At whenever, only suppose for the first time in this year, IGNOU did not conduct the examinations in June 2020. We conducted later on, but only for few final year students. Second thing, for change of address, you can send us email at rcmumbai@ignoo.ac.in. Your address will automatically be updated. However, you have to send that email in the month of November only.
Oh, okay, got it.
Okay.
Thanks a lot, sir।
Okay. So once again I thank all of you। in future अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप सब लोग आरसी मुंबई का जो ईमेल आईडी है, you all can always send email to us at rcmumbai@ignoo.ac.in। so now we will close the session। thank you one and all।
Thank you so much sir।